Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Baran ambled through the alley, his face reflecting a storm of emotions. He halted, leaning against a palm tree as the sun dipped low. There was silence in the alley, broken only by the rhythmic swirl of a group of birds ascending into the darkening sky. In the quiet of the evening, Baran wrestled with a dilemma. Prior to Imam Reza's departure for Khorasan, Baran had lent him 400 dirhams, but Imam Reza's tragic martyrdom at the hands of Mamun left Baran in a predicament, as there were no witnesses to the loan. He pondered whether Imam Reza's son, Muhammad ibn Ali, would acknowledge and repay his father's debt. As darkness settled, Baran grappled with his decision. The fear of being labeled a liar held him back, but the urgency of his need for the money pushed him forward. Determined to gather the coins and settle his debts before nightfall, he embarked on his journey. Walking past the mosque, the ambience shifted. Echoes of children's laughter and playful games filled the air. As he entered the neighborhood, memories flooded back of the days when he would visit Imam Reza, cherishing the words and warmth of his beloved Imam. Approaching the Imam's house, he felt a sense of peace and calmness. A servant guided him to a room where Imam Reza's son sat engrossed in Quranic recitation. The resemblance to his father was striking, kind, gentle, and pious, a true reflection of Imam Reza. Baran stepped forward and greeted him. Assalamu alaikum. Imam Al-Jawad rose politely and replied, Wa alaikum assalam. I know you have come to ask me something. Tell me, how can I help you? No, I've just come to visit you, Baran said. My father owed you money, am I right? Baran was surprised. He lowered his head and said, Yes, my lord. The Imam retrieved a bag of coins from a box. Here are the 400 dirhams my father owed you. Please take it. Baran was shocked, but he quickly stepped forward and accepted the bag. Thank you, my lord. The Imam smiled at Baran affectionately and said, You are entitled to this, and if you need anything else, please do not hesitate to ask. My door is always open for you. As Baran left, he kissed the hand of the Imam, realizing that the legacy of generosity that Imam Reza had initiated continued through his son, Imam Al-Jawad.